In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Freshbooks account. Freshbooks, a popular accounting software for small business owners, freelancers, and professionals, offers a simple way to manage books and invoices. But there comes a time when you may need to close your account, whether it's due to a shift in your business or you're exploring other accounting options. If you're at this crossroads, you're in the right place. Closing your Freshbooks account is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure the process is as seamless as possible. Once you've logged into your Freshbooks account, your next stop is the dashboard. Here, take a moment to locate your profile photo, which should be perched at the top right corner of your screen. By clicking on this image, you'll trigger a drop-down menu with a variety of options. From this menu, you're going to select Billing and Upgrade. This particular option will direct you to a section crafted for managing your subscription details, among other essential facets linked to your account. Once you're in the Billing and Upgrade section, you'll need to scroll down to the bottom of the page. It's important not to rush through this part, but instead, take your time navigating the options available. At the bottom of the page, you'll stumble upon the crucial Cancel Your Account button. This button is your gateway to initiating the cancellation process. Clicking on Cancel Your Account isn't your final step, as Freshbooks will require you to confirm your decision. At this stage, you'll see a Continue to Cancel button appear. This is Freshbooks' way of ensuring that you're certain about your decision to leave. Click on this button to proceed. By selecting Continue to Cancel, you'll be escorted through the final steps of the cancellation process. Freshbooks might ask for feedback on why you're leaving, and they'll confirm one last time that you wish to delete your account. While providing feedback is optional, it can be valuable for Freshbooks to understand why users choose to leave and how they can enhance their services going forward. Once you've confirmed your wish to cancel the account, Freshbooks will promptly process your request. It's crucial to remember that depending on your billing cycle, you might want to ensure you're canceling at a time that makes sense for you financially to avoid unnecessary charges. Additionally, consider exporting or saving any significant financial data from Freshbooks before you fully deactivate your account, as you won't have access to this information afterward. And that's it! You've now successfully navigated the process of deleting your Freshbooks account. It's a simple procedure, but taking it step by step ensures you don't miss any critical parts. Whether you're moving to a different accounting software or no longer need the service, knowing how to properly close your account is important. Remember, choosing accounting software is a significant decision for managing your business's financial health. It's always a good idea to research and consider your options carefully before making any changes. If you're contemplating returning to Freshbooks in the future or need a new accounting solution, plenty of resources and comparisons are available online to help guide your decision. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the process of canceling your Freshbooks account. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to the Freshbooks support team or leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best in your future endeavors and business success.